Halo guys, my name is Muhammad Ridwan Darmawan, but you can call me Ridwan. Okay, here I want to tell you an experience I had in the past, which I can forget for the rest of my life. This was when I was in the 5th grade of elementary school. I still remember that I was in grade 5 at the beginning of the semester. At that time I lived in Wonosobo, close to the square. At that time my parents wanted to divorce because of my father unkind behavior towards my mother. Even though my mother had become a good wife and also worked to help the family finance, but it was my father who did not know better. Finally, my mother planned to move or return home to her birthplace, Gunung Kidul, and my brother and I were invited there. My brother was 6 years older than me. He was still in kindergarten and did not know anything. There was a friend of my mother who wanted to help my mother move and return to Gunung Kidul. For a few days, I moved the clothes of me, my mother, and my young brother to my mother's friend's house every day. I secretly took them to my mother's friend's house by bicycle, because if my father found out, he would be angry and abstract me. And when the day came, all the equipment, clothes and other things had already been moved to my mom's friend's house. At 2 a.m., me, my mom and my younger brother quickly walked out the house to my mom's friend's house. We walked slowly with the remaining items that had not been carried. When we arrived at my mother's friend's house, we left for Gunung Kidul by car. In a short time, we all arrived in Gunung Kidul. Precisely at my uncle and aunt house. My brother and I grew up there. My mother worked alone to fulfill the needs of her 3 children, and she was a tough, strong, and patient woman. Not with my father. Until now I still really hate him. I don't even want to call him father. Where is his responsibility to provide for a child? Nothing. But it's okay. I still have a mother who always guides me and provides a good life for me. Mom, I hope I can be a good person who is successful in the future and can make you happy. I always try to keep going, Mom, every day. Although it is difficult and there are many obstacles and tests that I face, but I will continue to try and will not give up so that my future is bright and can make my mother and my little family happy. Always pray for me, Mom. I love you.